Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to erase everything on your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to erase everything from your iPhones, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for the general option. Simply tap on it. In general, you have to scroll down and look for this transfer or reset iPhone option. Just tap on this and here select erase all contents and settings. And here you have to make sure that you have the backup of your data because it will remove everything from your phone. It might be your photos, videos, apps, music, documents, accounts, and much more. So you must have to make a backup. And once you have backup, you have to simply tap on this continue option and then tap on this erase iPhone. And here, if you have logged into your Apple account, so you must have to enter the password of your Apple account here. But if you don't have logged in, you have to enter your passcode. Once you have entered your password, your phone will restart. So you must have to wait for until your phone restarts. So in this way, you can easily erase everything on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.